Alright, now arriving on here is the 11:32 Scotrail service to Edinburgh Waverly from, where's this from?
Don't know.
Is it not on your timetables?
No, it doesn't tell you. It actually will. Arrival 112.
Led by 385-112.
One big King's Cross.
No, I mean this one. I mean the 385 that's arriving now. I'm going to take a guess and say this is probably come from Glasgow Central because it's a 3 coach. Oh, and 015 and 105 and they're leaving with the 34 to Queen Street, and there's a tram over there going to the airport, supporting its American Express colours. Okay, right there she goes. Right, as you can probably just see over there, there's a tram going to York Place from Edinburgh Airport. You might see it, right, what colour is it supporting? It's supporting, I can't see, hashtag John something. I have no idea what colours that's supporting. John Hem? I have no idea, guys.
I can't do any more trade times because the internet was bad.
You might just see its roof up there, if you've got really good eyes, and you also see the hand of Matthew. You might just see the pantograph too. There it goes.
Andrew here.
Now arriving is the 14:38 Scotrail service to Glasgow Queen Street via Cumbernauld. And you should probably heard from Matthew it's 385-123 by the way. The LNER train is just between Edinburgh and
the LNER
Haymarket.
service is between Edinburgh and Haymarket.
I don't know if my viewers can see that because the quality of my tablet is my tablet is terrible.
My phone's been off.
No, no one, my viewers. Alright, now arriving is 385-122 with the service to Edinburgh Waverly. 385-022 again, I already forget the numbers, guys, I'm so sorry. 122 and something. 385 something's on the back. I'm not going to get that because the LNER will be arriving next. Okay, now coming down there is a tram to Edinburgh Airport.
See, after some trains and Haymarket,
It's
buses and trams outside.
might be going on then. Spotify. This is supporting Spotify colours. As here is 334-010 with the 14. I think this is the 14:34 Scotrail service to Mulgai. Get the rear when she departs. Okay, now arriving is 334-011 with the service to Edinburgh Waverly for Scotrail. As also arriving is a 158, you can see. On the rear there says 34027. 158-721 leads the set. Well, I say leads the set, it's a single unit. Okay, these two 334s are now departing with the 34 Scottish service to Mulgai. It was 010, I forgot the rear already. There goes 027. On the rear of that, 016.
Guys. Here, 174.30 stops me. Edinburgh, I am on the Scotrail network, it appears somehow.
Cool. Now arriving is the 14:48 Scotrail service to Edinburgh Waverly from Glasgow Central.
Waste the driver.
Might get a tone here, but there's a very slim chance that will happen. No, didn't get tone. Oh well. And now the 14:30, the 14:41 service to Aberdeen has been pretty much still delayed. Okay, so 85014 is leaving with the 14:48 Scotrail service to Edinburgh Waverly from Glasgow Central. Off she goes. She goes. Okay, now arriving in is the 14:41 Scotrail service to Perth. Yeah, this is now in front of the LNER.
The train arriving at platform 2 is now delayed.
Yeah, and this is delayed as well. It's 14:47. This is due in at 41 because of the LNER. Yay! Just got a smile from the driver. Okay, now arriving in here, C34003 with the 1434 Scotrail service to Edinburgh Waverly as the return of 39157 there you just saw for the 344. Yeah, I know I saw it, I'm just telling the viewers. And there she is, 39157 Chad Var. Yeah, I've done that many times so far. There she is. And there's also a 170 down there to Glen Rothers. And there's a HST pulling out the depot.